My name is Ruhi Shukla and I'm here for the tree plantation activity from my office side. After visiting this place, it feels very, very good and mesmerizing. I had a really great time over here spending time with the other people around here, and planting trees was something which was the first experience for me, and I've never done it before, so people have helped me out with that as well, and it has been a very good and great time for me to have a good sort of an experience apart from my daily life. So thank you for such a good experience.
You're next. You have to say. Everybody has to say.
Honestly, I got
You didn't participate.
I did, but
नाम
Maybe,
बोलो,
maybe,
at least
maybe.
नाम तो बोलो.
Kushal Mehta.
कुशाल मेहता.
Hi, I am Neha. This was very new. पहली बार किया इतना सब प्लांटिंग एंड ऑल, तो अच्छा था. नया नया इन्फॉर्मेशन भी मिला कैसे सब प्लांट को ग्राफ्टिंग करना है एंड लेयरिंग, पहली बार सुना मैंने. सो इट वाज अ न्यू एंड इट वाज गुड.
Hi, I'm Krishna. It was an amazing experience with Hirva Swapna.
What about plantation? How did you like it?
I liked it. It was my second time. First
Second time,
yeah.
right? Okay. आपको बोलना है?
Hi, Vaishali. Many times I have been attending this drive, so it's always good to be here and do our bit for the nature. Thank you.
Hey, hi, myself Rahul. I would like to thank Hero Sapna for giving me this opportunity and to explore this side of the world as well. So, a very good opportunity to plant the trees across the ground, and yeah, enjoy it.
Hi, my name is Ashish, and it was a really great experience here with the Hirva Swapna group. I really got to learn a lot about plants, which I don't know, or even about how they are planted and what are the various techniques that are used here. And to get my hands on the plantation was a really different experience. This was my first time doing something other than in agriculture. Being in city, I've never been exposed to this side, and I would really recommend all of you to join, and I would definitely want to come here again.
पर
Hi, my name is Ritesh. I don't have much to add since most of the things have been covered by others. Only thing I enjoyed was it was a kind of a tiring job, but at the end it was very joyful. The once we completed planting all the trees, it was very satisfactory feeling. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, this is Rajendra. This was our second year of doing the tree plantation with Hirva Swapna. We really enjoyed it. I would like to thank the entire Hirva Swapna team for organizing it for us and providing us a lot of insightful and details about the plants. So thank you.
Hi, my name is Shweta. This is my second time with Hirva Swapna. We planted a lot of trees. We had lots of good food. We enjoyed a lot. I enjoyed with my friends. The important lesson that I learned is the nature doesn't work for us, but we have to work with nature together, and it's an integrated system. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Ritik.
पीछे बा. The dark button.
Hi, my name is Ritik, and this is my second time over here with Hirva Swapna. It has been very insightful. The team is great, and we did a lot of good work. So very proud of it.
These people are left.
They are left.
चलो बोल दो जल्दी. Sit.
मैं उधर आ गया हूँ.
हाँ? सबका हो गया. बोलो. हाँ बोलो, आप बोलो.
माझं नाव ऋषिकेश तिवारी आहे. हिरवा स्वप्नसोबत आम्ही आज CSR ॲक्टिव्हिटीजसह आम्ही जनरल मिल्समधून आलो होतो आणि ट्री प्लांटेशन वगैरे केलं इकडे. ॲक्टिव्हिटी खूप म्हणजे थकवणारी होती, पण त्याच्यानंतर जो आनंद मिळाला आहे तो म्हणजे खूप चांगला आहे. थँक्यू हिरवा स्वप्न.
He's not giving? So shy, is it? Okay.
And thank you so much. Last but not least, I won't take much time. You guys did this plantation. It was something, a unique experience for you guys. And thank you so much, because this is something which will get you to close to Mother Nature. Okay, in today's world, we are all techie, all on mobile, but this is something which is thanks to Hirva Swapna, Anil Baba, Puba ma'am, and Kiran sir, and all of them. They're with. See, we need to pick up few things, these nature-loving things from them, so that we can give this to our future generation, right? So this is something I would urge you all to continue to doing it even in your society, in your building, even small. Sometimes there's a people plant coming out from a wall. Even if you can remove that and plant it in a garden, it might be a big tree and help this world. This world really needs oxygen, not the oxygen bottles, but the oxygen from plants. We have learned quite a bit from COVID, I guess. So let's continue doing the good work. Yeah. Thank you so much.
My name is Vaishali Rajput and I lead the sales and commercial function for the Pyramids. This is my team, part of my team. We have a pretty big group, 200 people. So just to know that this is just the mere representation of our group. Our team personally, I'll speak for it, has been very passionate about everything which is related to community, related to people, related to nature, related to environment, related to doing good. This is in our DNA because our company value system is also very strong. So it comes from that. I think coming here with Hirva Swapna was a double shot target for us, because all of us we came because we wanted to do something related to plantation, and it's not the first time. We have been working with Hirva Swapna for many years. So many of us are repeat and also associated in personal capacity. But what I like about Hirva Swapna, they don't take us to any random place and then ask us to do the plantation for the sake of it, because we need to put our pictures in company videos or link, but they take us to very meaningful places. Last time also we went to different NGOs and then different places which we keep going. So it's not, I think the thing is that they are making us to think about how do we make things more sustainable, more eco-friendly, and there are multiple ways of doing it. It's not just a one way. It starts with the basic thing that after eating all of us chocolate, I did not see a single person throwing wrapper on the floor. And nobody was watching anybody. So those kind of small little things which inculcate habits on us. And of course each one of us doing whatever green thing which we can do. I also love the fact, Siddharth, because we are here and the noble cause which you are doing. I would talk to you separately about the stuff, how can we associate more with you in the capacity what you are doing now. But I think it is very energizing for us to be here and see that when we say that time nahi hai, bahut busy hai, you are taking time out and you made your life so meaningful, giving an objective and giving a motive to so many different people. So Hirva Swapna, when these people are doing so much, thousands of planting trees, nobody is going to take that with them, right? Everything which is happening here, neither of you, what you are doing is going to go with you. None of things which is happening going to go with this. So this is something very, very important, goes beyond the lifetime. So really grateful to get the opportunity to be something bigger like this. And thank you so much for including us in this thing and taking us here.
Wonderful.
Most of the people are living in the cities, and I got liberty to stay away from concrete jungle. So I am very close to nature. In a way, on a monthly basis, I am trying to plant at least one tree with my sister. So she is doing it. At my level, I am doing. But looking at you guys, feels like I am doing nothing. So you are doing with a cause, you are spreading the awareness. Like this season, rain started almost on May, which has never happened before, and still continues, which is almost 5 months. So the cycle is disturbed. So global warming is hitting now. Like Siddharth mentioned on the temperature part. So many things you are doing. Also, like we say, we take out time on the Saturday. But I think he is the motivation that he is doing, given his all the work, he is making balance of it, and he is doing for the society. So looking at these people feels very good and gives us energy. So I really like helping to do.
Very good.